perfect for scooping ice, flour, cereal, pet food and more. Leave the scoop in your freezer's ice maker for convenient scooping of ice cubes. Approximately 1 cup capacity. Head flexes for controlled pouring into narrow containers. Compact head fits in a wide variety of canisters and bins. Soft, comfortable, non-slip grip. Dishwasher safe and BPA-free. OXO's Handy Scoop is a versatile addition to your kitchen, perfect for scooping ice, flour, cereal and more. The compact head fits easily into all sorts of canisters and bins and is flexible for easy funneling into smaller containers. Try leaving this scoop in your freezer's ice maker. The scoop stays comfortable to the touch and ice cubes won't stick to it. A soft handle provides a comfortable, firm grip. The scoop holds approximately 1 cup. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy and flexible scoop. I bought this scoop specifically for my ice maker. I put ice in my water bottle throughout the day. I needed a scoop to save my hands from the ice. This one is great because it's sturdy enough to scoop the ice, flexible enough for me to narrow the scoop so it pours the ice into the bottle opening without spilling ice everywhere. I don't leave it in the freezer because it is plastic. I don't want to cause an issue with the extreme temperature, but I keep it right next to my refrigerator. When I get the correct sized hook for it, I'll be able to hang it on the side for even easier access. Definitely recommend.